Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil.
Well. Blessed love, God, blessed love. And, you know, we here in Mama River, you know. As what we promised, we tell you we're gonna take the kids them to Devon house for them to eat ice cream. You know, they've never been there before, so we're gonna give them a treat to go to Devon house today, you know. So right now they're ready. I got the phone call, so they're ready. They got their clothes on, they're waiting, you know. So we're gonna pick them up and take them out to have a day out, you know, today for sure. Okay. Yeah. So guys, so we're there with Esther. You know, so Esther forgot mother the kids them, you know. So you know, so I alone could take it on. So you're gonna need a mother for the kids them, you know. So while Esther can always give a count, you know, me I'll go and look around. You know, make sure so them get them ice cream and thing, you know. But you have to need a mother around to make sure so them organized. Cranberry! Nana! Toko! You know, and Tara, so you have to keep them in check. You know, don't make them run up and down at the park. Take them out of the river right now and bring them on the dry land. It's a nice sunny day today, you know. But it got full. We can't get rid of the Devon house ice cream. So welcome back again to the wonderful Miami River. Wonderful Miami River.
Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil.
This is Cranberry style, you know, showing our mother where they usually sell from. So Esther go and wake her. Esther can't cross right now. I can hear like the dad is doing some work. I can hear the saw work. The dad is up there putting in some work. Yeah, the dad is putting in some work. I can hear it. The dog are back. Run them up. Go on up. Toko. Ready, Toko? Ready? Ready? Ready, Nana? Evening. Show out there, so. Ready?
Come with them.
Who?
Them look for him. Wherever I bring the sun.
He want come. Look man. See him there. Him there sir. Look man. See him there. Come now stop by the face. Look man hide. Say
Evening.
Bye.
So where can I go on, Papi? Yeah, put up the tile, solid, the plies.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put on the side before we do
Oh,
We just get some sun. Look man them on Cranberry and the youth that bring this
Cement, yeah.
We end up calling
oh.
come bring some sun today for you. So judge that try to go the foundation but that time say better finish the room
Yeah.
or than start on somewhere else. So
Yeah.
that but tomorrow I can start paying still.
Okay, and I start paying tomorrow. Oh. So you're saying ready, kids? You trouble you?
No.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, the measurement right. So you have enough to go around?
No, me have enough to seal off the top and more finish us.
Okay. So they get rest for around here, so. Good. Oh, when you get the black them yet?
No, they don't bring them up yet, you know. No, they don't bring them up yet. I don't want to scare some brothers for you.
Okay.
So while later you want to see them up bring
See them all come. A bit better. Come on. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready. Alright then, mommy. So,
Alright.
Pops, later.
Bye.
You go and do another, yeah?
Yeah.
Time for them. Where's the ice cream? Ice cream?
Yes, daddy.
No one ice cream.
None of them nothing no.
No ice cream?
Yes.
You don't want ice cream. You want water? Water no one then,
What
man.
I know.
Alright,
We
then.
want ice cream.
For water no one, I'll catch you for water. On the way. Right?
Daddy bye.
Alright, then come.
Bye.
Tara.
Tara now stop my food too. Wait, you want it? Wanna wait? Look, come on, wait, one by one. Them pick me and ask to put brother.
Alright, take your time, come down.
One by. Tara.
Well, Tara.
Hey, no jumping. Tara, come. What like? Tara. You're so slippery. Step down, come on, remember you're slippery.
Step over there.
No, esta more.
You gotta tell Esther.
Eh?
You gotta tell Esther.
Sorry.
Tell her sorry.
Yeah. Apa guys, what? What I
Promise Toko.
said. Está colado, no es nuevo aquí, ¿no? Move them, come. Go on and stop. 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 One by one.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head there now. Head out. Alright, we just got one more kid. You know, the little friend that always help them bring up materials, so we're gonna add him to the list also. See? All the kids them.
No, I'm just saying.
Jump! Yay! Is jij manager even jump?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ano lang chua na kawasan.
Oh, them?
Yeah, yun dagat na sa mga kapatid mo.
Right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. So we have 5 kids right now. So one more add to the list. Their friend that always let them, you know, bring up their material. So we're gonna treat them today with some sweet tooth ice cream. You know, and enjoy Devon house. Yeah. I've got some stuff in the car for me, you know. So. Start started. Yeah.
White socks.
I
think she never really white shirt today.
We'll bring up one of the back seat. No, wait. Hold on.
Look at the back.
Look at the team going around there. Hold on. Toko? You got us. Okay, around there? Alright. Go on over the car. Nana, you go. Nana, go beside Cranberry.
I know you want me second.
No, cause she go sleep in that. Make.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah. You come out, Togo. Make Nana go over there. She has stuff some of the clothes every night. That hole there. Put some of the clothes in that hole there. Then sit down, fine.
Ease up, man. Come on, baby.
Let's sit back.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Everyone's okay?
Yes.
Oh. You want AC or fresh air?
Fresh air.
Who said AC?
Nana.
Who want fresh air?
Me.
Well, majority counts. Fresh air.
Fresh air. Because they want to look outside.
Yeah, right now for them in there.
I don't want to look outside.
I said, Nana, sure I gotta end there, you know.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Alright guys, so we're all set. Ready to go. Ready to go. You ready?
Yeah.
What's that ice cream?
Ice cream.
We don't want an ice cream, man. It's an ice cream.
Ice cream.
Who wants chocolate ice cream?
Me.
Strawberry?
Me.
Vanilla?
Me.
Cookie and cream?
Me.
No one too much, man.
I'm have crunchy munchy.
Country munchy. So much ice cream, I'm not gonna eat
Get
that.
the mix. Mix it.
Oh no, a cone?
Waffle cone.
A cone, I'm forget.
Waffle cone.
No, sir, they can't.
No, them can't have waffle cone. Them
No.
regular
They get
cone.
the soft cone.
Yeah.
Waffle cone are too hard for them.
You never like waffle cone, but say prefer the regular cone.
It's,
I reckon clone to
I'm getting money like.
Oh, that's all?
Yeah, no. From the river there. I see Kalisa sing this morning.
Beep, beep. I'm general.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Oh, now come, can't come.
Yeah.
Oh, now come. Hey, let's walk on.
They bring them got Devon house.
Wow, Devon out. Here, go on. More ice cream, more one cup. Esther, that bring it back for me, Esther.
Yeah, man, bring it back.
Yeah, man, it's
On the cone.
On the cone, yeah, man.
Yeah.
There, I know, that's so. Look, so we're going on the yard.
Yeah, that's up.
Yeah, we got chocolate, yeah, man. Go on. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, you see it, man. Yeah, man. Walk on, Dada. I couldn't bring my cream for me, please.
Yeah,
Cone.
cone.
Yeah.
Ice cone, yeah.
Yeah, we are bringing it back now.
Yeah, man, Jane,
Bring it
spare.
back.
Alright, look at
Yeah,
me.
man.
Later.
Later, I bring my cone, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we are come here.
And it now melt. Now go melt.
Nah, I take off your day and now.
Afraid of it there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You mind for that video?
Later.
Yeah.
The president like,
Guys, so we just see Road Chef coming from work. You know, because cause him and Baja and the team them do some work up his sides, you know. Him, Baja, Jella, Ban, like the team members them they do some work up inside. So we always pass them like these times. They might take taxi. So look like the rest of them gone already.
Yeah, look so. Is it that them gone?
Ah, them left first.
Yeah. Now we see Bania. Oh, wow.
Popping square. Oh shit, because I said yes, we get a lift home now. I realize that the car full, all full.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Okay.
Let go.
Cranberry such a friend.
She Freda.
I'm a father, old man.
Where Freda?
I'm your father, come, I'm your father.
Put this in the bag.
Son, you must hold my sister.
Hear that?
Where you say Toko?
Mama said, well, Tara.
And then I hold your hand.
Who must hold Tara on?
Cranberry.
Hi, Tara last. If Tara last.
Nana hold her
No,
on.
nobody knows who her on.
Come on, hold her on.
Hold on for
Hold
real.
and come. Hold on and come.
Come, mama.
Come, big.
Come, brother, walk.
Watch your car. Now for watch your car.
Hey, put Tara away, so no one.
That Devon knows. I wouldn't put that in here. The gel make me white.
Pass your hand. Hold on.
Remember my big boy.
Big boy.
So we're going that side. Go over there. Over there we're going.
I know I'm hold on.
Look much kids here. Look. Oh gosh. Over the line, the outside? We have to go all the line, terms by terms, Esther. To reach close.
Watch how it.
Cara, the young guy that went in the car.
The park close.
So then we have to eat enough ice cream.
Eh?
Cara, the young guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want that?
Wow, there's a long line outside.
No. Actually, young guy was really car.
Yeah.
I borrowed somebody baby. Somebody borrowed the baby and going there.
I do.
Go for the front.
Oh.
See there? Everybody have baby. Go on.
Because it ends Sunday, right?
We got more kids here. We don't know how Devon now stay already when they come on to ice cream.
Cool.
Cool. Cool, man.
Ball.
One want ball to go play with. Mushy ball.
5.
Give me one ball.
This one more.
Like so.
And the ball fee money?
This is what is?
Bubble.
Oh, bubble. Much is Angela?
No, 300 for the
And then ball, then something else, then the look. Oh, wait, something else.
Go and check the line.
Look at it. That. Look all this. Yes, and so. See that, like this.
See more of the bubble. Look what the bubble there now and kill it.
Give me the ball fee money.
Tara, no get no.
Tara. This, you and Tara play with that. You know what a bubble. Blow it.
Me and Lukuman can play this, no? Go Lukuman, throw it to me.
You can take that off right.
And the ball fee money. Right there.
You can blow it. Make Tara blow it. Shot for now. Okay.
Four ball left, man.
Esther, say you can go and join it then. Okay.
Different line.
Alright.
So I got the pickup line to until we get some of the right?
Yes, you know buy it food. If you need buy three, Tara, you get.
Cool.
One scoop, right? Yeah, you can manage.
Yeah, it's 2 scoops.
Yeah, but mixed split, different.
Yeah. Come up. Go. Get the ice cream, right? Go on, follow Esther. Instead. Oh. Come beside Esther. Stand beside Esther. Everyone wants to get some ice cream. You know, ice cream is not really for me, the dairy, so once in a blue now, do nothing. Can't come here and don't get ice cream, so I have to try the dragon stout. If I try the dragon stout or the coconut ice cream, and then after that I'm going to take my bitters. wash out. Look at my ice cream. That's the cheese. Oh, that tree scoop that we have on the cone. Let me see. Wait till them turn on, let me see. See them? You know, them can man tree. Eh?
I want them. I want to cook a bit so. I want to right?
What's that tree?
Yeah.
By two.
I put it on. I want to cook it.
I got a waffle for my waffle is sweet. Show on the face. Which flavor you want? What flavor you want? White.
Want it mix. Chocolate and mix.
Oh. Coco, come here. Yeah. But Coco should never smile. Come. Also, we can get free ice cream today. Hello. Yeah, no. Can get free ice cream. I never pay today, right? Huh? I don't have to pay today. I don't know. Five kids here. We have 5 kids here.
On the wedding, the point
Yeah. And how much food do you get for it?
It's enough for them.
Enough for them. Alright, so now
tell me the place I know. No, I know. I want to go to the store today. No.
but you have dragon stout? You have coconut cream? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get one for myself as well too.
Single for the one? Several. Single for the one?
No? The more I sing to more, I method the waffle. Yeah. Even it's sweet, you know. Never sweet again.
You can get 2 flavors. 6 single and 1 waffle. Yeah. Waffle, sorry. You can't finish it for work. That's it?
Yeah.
547, you think that's not card?
Card. Wait, I want a bottle of water in here? I want the water as well, but after the ice cream I need water. Yeah, water.
One? Yeah, be just rock and come in.
Rock and come in. Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
One right there, one. One under. Wow. Smile. Smile, Cranberry, smile.
Chocolate.
You want chocolate? She want a complexion chocolate. One chocolate, what do you want? Huh?
I want chocolate.
You want chocolate too?
Yeah.
So I got mixed with them. Go on, follow Esther, go on. Go on, follow Esther. Alright, so she wants chocolate. Get her chocolate first. Can't see. Peep over. See it? How which flavor this one? Oh, sure. In general. How which flavor this? This one. Okay. Crunchy munchy.
I see it.
You see it?
I feel like it's
What flavor you want? What flavor? She not sure. You want something nice? That's chocolate there. You got chocolate. What flavor you want? Eh? Come on, lift her up. Lift her up, listen, you see? We'll lift you up, make you see. Come. Lift her up. Which flavor? Come here. Tara, come here. Which one? You want chocolate too? Come here, Tara. Which one you want? Look. Which one?
This or this?
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah.
Give her this.
What you want?
Lift her up, make you see. She's short. Can you see? Can you see? Which one?
Give me strawberry.
You still don't know which one you want?
Let's take white. And you say you want the white cream, but you want cookie?
No, a cranberry. This is she want white. Yeah. Nice. Crunchy munchy and coconut. That, we get 2 scoops right for us. We're gonna mix mine. Not you, not you. Is that old? Only go Tara.
Give me, you want the chocolate? I want it. Chocolate again. And a cookie and cream. Yeah. And the next one will be the chocolate. Nice. Look, what you want?
Chocolate, you said. You want chocolate?
Yes.
Where you want? That one?
You want this one? Yeah, that's yeah, I'm on chocolate again. Yeah. And then strawberry. These strawberry last. I want 10 today. And then the waffle, crunchy munchy and coconut.
Nice.
Then you have a taste.
You make her feel they're eating better than you. Alright. Who needs the phone? Come here, phone.
Going at it. Yeah? Yeah. You like that one?
Mama, take it from the top.
Taco. Thank you. How about all this one? Eat this side. Hold it this side. Hey, Tara, this one to eat too. How much you got?
She got the next strawberry.
Yeah?
Yeah, next strawberry.
Come with the ice cream. Roll up for the ice cream. Take it here. Sarah, shell on the place. Shake on our ice cream. Sarah, buttercup. Similar. Yeah, make sure you get shy. Yeah, all in. Yeah, can be big. Go on, follow Esther. Go on. Esther, get them water. Get my water. Get my water. Huh? Tara, come. Fix it. Just buy something for them. Esther, see a bench.
Daddy. Oh, you get white ice cream and big cone. The chocolate cone is nice.
I'm a big man.
Yeah, I said that can buy.
Yeah. You never know.
Now we are going. Oh, and I see a dog so many big. Take a breathe. What is this now? Where is that?
Them now, but some of them can't go on, you know. And now some them can go on.
You can't say I'm man and stay today. But get trouble today, daddy.
Get trouble.
Sick money where you buy the ball from that one day. And the next one I come sell one more ball that I can make 2 balls now. The ball I can pitch it to me now, you know. Where ball something there, Abby?
Yeah.
This one tastes bitter.
How for the second? Toko.
Yeah,
This one tastes bitter.
Taste bitter?
No?
Because to you, calculate the next day.
This is bitter now.
So it's the next one, so it's like a bitter.
At home.
Wait, the napkin gone.
Today we have a phone and car. Give me a daddy, we have a phone. And right now, I'm going to call my mother to bring the one phone. Go back in.
Come on.
Hey, you know, so that's what your partner tell us. Me and
Wait.
eat the part, yeah. That's look how my one now.
Go, Papa.
Look at my dad, see him take look at my one to play.
Say my big man, make him say.
You know what my grandma said about it, pal? 3 days.
What is it? It's not a job. It's not fried, no, a job. Alright guys, you see here? Finally I'm having an ice cream. Yes, coconut and crunchy munchy. So you know after them take my wash out. Last time I came to Devon house I never have no ice cream. This time, me and the kids might have ice cream, right?
Yes, daddy.
Ice cream.
Daddy, I went now and they done.
3 months finish. Tara, go on, wicked.
And go for. I said eat it.
So my parents don't say the cooking and more.
My hair won't drop. Nana, my drop. My hair won't drop.
Baby,
That drop.
baby, I will go for my ball. Let's go.
You won't finish. Nice. You want to try my entire? Yes, Tara.
Don't taste it, daddy.
But I just white one.
I thought you want to try it though.
What? I want to be that. I want to for my father one right now.
Nice. Is that nice? Where?
Well, my father something nice, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, mommy, if all the food when they come and bring some money, what if ice cream we're going to eat today?
The food bitter.
2 bar sharp now, I tell you daddy. 2 bar sharp. And that makes 4 bubbles. Them want to buy something.
Buy something. Yeah, babe.
The same thing with all the bars and funny, they take 100 of the money. Look at man, that's it for me. Look at man.
Cranberry. Don't touch the wet part. Cranberry.
Leave it now. Bring it up here.
Daddy, now ask me good.
Give me.
That's all I'm going to say, give me ball. I'm going to say that. Too much ball here, daddy.
What? Ball? Say that. Oma. Shall get up quick.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, Miss Banana.
One ball left, no daddy.
Thank you.
So we are losing a ball and then they have bubble star vexing the time. 1-1, 2, we don't know. 1-1.
Alright.
Get up something. Daddy. You know, I said for you something like that.
I want to that my boy, my kid.
You see me, it's a little.
Look, you see them? The ice cream drop. Told you? Like a drop. Yeah. Tara box up that. All things she messed up herself, but
Shabba move ball, daddy. Yes, you must go.
Relax now.
Alright, you say. Yeah, go away.
Yeah, go on play, go on.
You have to for my last one.
Don't stop talking, no.
Now you both them on. Give me now, give me. Let's have abandon some for your ball. That's not the time, man.
Carrot, hey.
Why need that? Can't even have that.
Her responsible. Look, you know. Her responsible.
That's why I need to come on this.
Coco won't finish. I talk coffee. Nah, lie. My belly got bubbly after eating all this ice cream. Trust me, my belly is gonna be bubbly. I'm gonna drink some salt water. Trust me. When it start bubbling, when my belly start to bubble, I'm gonna drink some salt water. I'll drink some roots. Now I got roots still. I got the fritters from Ibo Spice. Cut out all bubbling. You know, but you know what? When you come here, you're like a child again. When you see ice cream, you just want to try. Especially Devon house. I have to. You know? Like Dr. Sebi said, once in a blue moon. Yeah. There's a lot of ice cream there. So. Esther, come assist Tara.
You want to keep
Let's sit down.
Daddy,
Come and get one already. Get
keep the
one.
ball.
Let's sit down, my car.
You tell me you want me to take up there, I mean you want to keep on something.
You throw it and play with him.
See a ball.
And come this.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, boss.
Boss. You want water? Hmm? I'm going to buy water in there. You want water, right? You go buy one water. Dana. See water here.
You are bringing me over here, my finish.
Yeah, you know?
We're going to have to win the button again.
Want more ice cream? Want more ice cream?
Sorry, now I'm not my best.
Yeah, I'm also full. Why am I not lying? Come off. I broke it there. I'm going to use it without that then. Well, I'm ice cream and full belly. My belly full. Alright. Well full. Yeah. Oh God, my belly got bubbly. Eh? My belly got bubbly. Amazing touch.
Yeah, the content. I love what I was
Tired.
Okay, drink water already?
Thumbs up. Talk of full of energy, you know. You play Toko. I play with Toko. You don't play the share with Toko then. See there now. Devon house boy.
Finish.
Like Tara eat on her ice cream like it's nothing. You know? Everyone was worrying about so Tara, your ice cream I could drop while Tara box that off before he even think about dropping. You know? Keep ball. Turn. Sit down. Good ball. You play ball? Ah, look. There's so many kids here. You know, everybody have fun.
Let's play.
Can't play with Esther now? Can't play with Esther? Can't play with Esther. Tara not really fussy, you know? She's not really too fussy.
She don't want to get out.
Yeah. I bet you if it was water, Tara gone.
Water, she gone here. Water. Trust me. have a ball. Them giant picnic, you know. See?
Cranberry,
Cranberry, cocoa and nana. Now one picnic.
Jamaica. See the thing there.
That is it.
Tell them where just come from.
Just I come from I was spice, everything nice. It is what he said it is.
Alright. See, I'm not telling lies. You know we're here and she's at Devon house. Just
And I
like
had
you
the
said.
burger.
Had the burger.
The burger.
Nice, right?
It was good.
Breadfruit burger is the
Breadfruit
best. So I'm here with the kids, them Cranberry them. Them out there, you know, to get ice cream for them and everything. Yeah. Yeah, man. So big up guys and everything.
That's
One Iowa Spice. Come try it. The food is nice. Yeah, man. Big up, big up. Cranberry.
Ready!
Say that again, so we're ready. So Cranberry, ready. Tara, you ready? Come. Alright then, yeah, movie. Yeah. Ready. You're not ready though? You wanna stay?
We come back to you.
You can stay, I'll come back for you then, Nana. Nana, love the fun. You don't wanna go to the river anymore? I wanna stay here. You know
with them.
yeah, them don't want to go home. Imagine, take them out the river, bring them come on dry land. Them don't want to go back to the river. Look at Pierre's sad face now. Come phone it tomorrow again? Again? When you want to come back here again? Is it? Yeah. Somewhere else next time. Alright guys, so we're gonna take them home now. Yes, the kids they're not ready to go home, but it's night. You know. It's that time, you know, we've been here for a while. Them run, them play, them drink, them eat. You know, so so this is my treat, you know, treating them like Esther. You know, this is like Esther to those treat them. Come, Tara, come. Run, Tara, run, Tara, run, Tara, run. Eh? They want AC this time?
This time! AC!
No.
Talk on the wrong car.
The people in car talk on none of that. Let me know for the car.
Who's the ball in the car? Who's the ball in?
Mine coffee?
No.
Put a car.
Wait, look at man, come in first, run here, so wait. Look at man, go in first.
Had a rubber pin.
Run.
My Lipsy Dicks. Coco, come in. Lock the light off. The water. Me want water.
Please, can I have water, please? And you should say, can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please? Look at my Later. One more.
Take it, no, leave it. Tara won't come off.
Look at AC, no AC. Look at the like AC.
Leave it.
Come Because I don't think we are traveling.
Like a place war, darkness.
Yes. Okay. AC on, AC.
Daisy!
No!
Shut the water on.
AC!
I see tonight. Now go home late now.
Yes, we're not going late.
See water.
Hey, you don't spill the water, okay? Drink water. Drink water properly. And then don't drink the water. Toko, you drink water sideways, so.
Drink the water properly.
What's the Toko?
So that is nice. So the window pull it now, go blow.
No, don't.
No, me ask you.
No.
Look up the light.
I see. AC.
She's going to go daddy. Swimming pool.
What's the light? Took off from one. Stop our gas school.
The man that we shouldn't come back.
No one Toko, she know.
You almost said that? You almost said to her?
Go on. Go on.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Liga God the Best. Racing another line.
Where is the line?
Over there.
Yeah. What's your match order? Oh. Oh. Alright guys, so see that? Open it. Alright guys, so we stop to get some patties for them because what's coming, but you know Tasty is at the opposite direction and the one that our cars are already closed, so they say them out of patties, so we're gonna get patties for them here at Mother's and then drop them off after. So Mother's does sell patties, so we'll get some beef patty for them and then we'll drop them home so I can head on after. Go fierce. So when I get in a party and then I go to the bed, right? Oh gosh, about patty and a juice. Patty and water.
Stop. So give them no more juice.
No,
Watch it. Beef again. I will stop again. I'm straight up here now.
Yeah, straight up. And when I eat the patty till I reach home.
Let's not get a patty. I put on one bag and when you go home when you get the patty.
Yeah, so
we're not eating in the car, mess up the car.
We're not eating in the car.
No, we're going straight home. No, we're going straight home.
I don't want to eat the patty, don't you?
Hear them?
So she not get done.
Straight home when I go with the patty.
Can I go take, can I go sit and I take
Everything in there?
Come on.
Look up. Put them face. More thing. Respect.
Or don't come back. You know, tell
Go on. Yeah. When I go, I'm gonna eat for the party, right? Wait. Coco, come on for the seat.
Oh, yeah, lucky. Come on, boy. Sarah, take one now.
Come and see Sarah, give me my ball. Buy a pocket car.
Hold on. Push that back.
What's that one?
Sarah, you want?
Next.
The next of the camera screen.
Come.
Everybody have my ball.
Yeah, man. Home sweet home for them. It was a long day. A very, very long day. But them kids are full of energy, boy. Oh, so guys, so we're gonna cross the river now. So stay tuned till when we reach at the house. Run up there. Esther, make it. What's that? Sit up. Oh, ini buat melay tu je so. You want one, yes, one. Yeah. Oh, definitely one. Come, Esther.
Let's go. You come here. What's up, my ball? Man, I like it. Let go, my ball.
This is the one.
No.
You can't get trouble with it, eh?
Alright.
Your body, Nana.
And I said, Mommy.
See your party there.
Look.
Yeah. Nah, Joe.
So the stretch that yeah. I propose.
Good night, Esther.
You made it across.
So we have to turn back and go back for the children.
Alright, so Esther bring a bag here with some clothes as well.
From my mommy.
From our mom. From our mommy. For the kids then. Yeah.
Mostly Tara.
Mostly Tara, right?
And Nana.
And
me.
Toko.
No. Tara and Toko, yeah. So Nana might do it.
I just see I went to them and she said, Esther, don't mean tell us sorry when you're up here. Alright. Tara.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
But-
Esther, tell your mom thanks for the clothes of the girls.
Yeah. Tara. High five.
Tara, talk to me.
Yeah.
We're keen on.
Mm. Much of our they don't share any party with the mother, you know. Cranberry.
That's what Tara can eat?
Yeah.
That's what Tara stop where I cream.
I tell her. Alright, then I gotta run go in now, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, so bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye next time, okay?
Alright, safe traveling.
Yeah, man. You guys have fun, right? Have fun?
We tell her
Nice. Bye bye, Cranberry. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Pops.
Yes, and you come back and stay about 2 times.
Yeah. Now we come back in a day we can sew our boy.
Yeah. This one done it.
Yeah. You put up the chip them as well. You say you have more ply left?
Yeah, one more left.
Oh.
We have still have to get more.
So-
So wait till I start.
Yeah. So you're gonna need more, same way.
One of the strip there, yes, them part of the strip them have a lot them.
Yeah.
Join them. Yeah. The strip are use like join them.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
You can feel the cold.
Oh, okay, cool at night time.
Cool.
No fun.
No fun. Okay, cool at night time.
Like same thing.
No, summer hot, you know.
No nice.
Yes, summer hot. Summer hot.
Hot. So you go cool in the winter and hot in the summer. You really feel the heat, boy. Yeah. All natural. Alright then, Pops. Yeah,
Look very better. So when time comes, it's like I am here to talk with them. I'm not so good over there. As soon as time get down,
yeah. Saggy problem.
Yeah. I am in the one feet better one, but I am in the other.
That are the left eye, right?
Yeah, the left eye. Yeah.
Saggy bad. Yeah, maybe I treat diabetic as well too.
Yeah, that's most that problem, man. It not hurt me.
Yeah.
It not look no different. It not feel no way. But just when you get up, me just come like me has to be a ear down in it. So I mean, nothing in my eye.
Nothing.
Me just come like has to be a ear
By
down my eye.
yeah. You have to go check it out as well. You know, can't leave, make it get worse.
I'm looking start it out from with the and thing. But two times some give me I go give because my two eye they mash up all type of things. So go back to the feet, man.
Yeah, I'm check it out.
Yeah, we able to go over and see it because that's my diabetic cause.
Yeah. For them, say, just control the sugar and then could take
That's right.
You hear some people are comment and say the door they put on upside down. You put it upside down?
No, man, come on. I see.
I see me, no. Probably I see wrong. And it's cool out here. Papi, may I catch up, yeah?
Alright,
yeah, man. Alright then. Toko, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Alright then, Toko. Yeah? Oh, look downhill. Oh yeah, go back there, so. Jump over the rock. No, sir. Alright guys, so you know it was a journey today. Yeah, Esther will take it on. You know, we'll take it right on, you know. Why the kids them was a handful. Them really get out them shell. Trust me. Hey. Yeah. I'm telling you. So, blessed love to all guys. Blessed love. So yeah, go ahead and have a day. So remember all the things out already. Enjoy the phone now. Yes, one Toko, she just full of energy, man. I like. Yeah, man. She have too much.
Can I run for 3 now?
Toko, though.
What?
Yeah, I'm telling you, look like she can run. Yeah. Toko look like she can run.
The man do that too.
Do the running as well.
Yeah. Now look at her stride with our music.
Yeah.
You know, but I want to say Mr. Spaldings. The man who call me.
Yeah.
Whenever that's a PM, she just go on a training.
Oh.
What should I reach just that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, could get she, man.
True, man.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I know things are blessed love. Thank you so much for watching. You know, God bless you all. Hope you're having a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, anywhere you are. Everything goes. Dream Team, one team. You know, it's the all the team.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.